Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and coming with some pre-installed extras right here at Ford, such as a level kit giving you some additional ride height, and then sitting on some sportier looking Ford rims with some more off-road oriented Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires. Coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and the FX4 off-road package giving you off-road suspension and skid plates. Then looking into the back, we have seating for 3 comfortably with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as being able to fold the seats up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. In the middle as well, you have 2 USBs and a 110-volt power outlet. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy, and all the stats together. Then you have your fuel economy separately, or truck info such as off-road status, power distribution, driver assistance features and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on, you do have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock, and then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your hazards, and then your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. Below that, you have 2 12-volt power outlets as well as 2 USBs, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have some of your controls here, such as your locking rear differential, traction control shutoff, tow haul mode, and trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain. And then you've got your 4x4 selector with terrain management, so you can cycle through normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you've got your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside for all of your stuff. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested in a new 2023 Ford Ranger with some off-road oriented mods pre-installed, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.